Good morning, guys. So after the video, I did really not want to put the stars in, but I decided to put the stars in. The stars. It was quite a big mess. I wonder how it looks because I just put it in when it was like water and all that. And it was next morning because it's like 9. It's like 9:01. Yeah. 9:02. 9:02. And I was really like sleepy with my sister. So yeah, let's get started. Ooh. I don't have the pausey thing anymore. I gotta do mode. And next, I'm gonna get another new phone, but it's gonna be Samsung because I can't use this one anymore. Sucks, right? I get to have the same phone case. You remember the unicorn? We did this. If you guys are just not watching the other one. I want to do a picture, but I don't know if I show up because I'm not famous yet. There. If I like spire or something, I'll take a picture like this. I want to go. So, yeah. I'm just going to wait for a little bit more. So I'm going to count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,